It was really time to throw them away. Have you seen them? They had a... Do you want to say goodbye one last time to this wonderful, amazing view above Cape Town?
Bye.
Whoa, I'm definitely gonna miss this view. This was definitely the best view we had on this whole world trip. Maybe the best view I ever had in my whole life so far. Oh my god. You will be missed, but we will be back. We left Cape Town and started today our road trip along the coastline of Africa, also called the Garden Route. And the first stop for today is
Betty's Bay.
Betty's Bay. It's super windy here, but I got a windbreaker. Okay, why Betty's Bay?
Yeah, penguin.
Yeah, so one spot here around Cape Town is Boulders Beach and also Betty's Bay, where you can see penguins. And it is also on our way to the next stop. So why not stop and just enjoy the beautiful scenery here. Yes, it is super windy. Yes, it is super windy here. I don't know if you can hear anything, but wow, this is like wind level 10. Whoa, hello.
For two? How much is it?
Why is it so cheap?
It is 50, I don't know.
No, you know, we've been to the Boulders Beach and we paid like, how much was it?
170 per person.
So 400 rand.
For the two of you.
Yeah.
But we're more beautiful than them.
So the people should come here and not to the Boulders Beach.
To the
I
Boulders
tell them
Beach.
to come here, yes.
Yeah, we will do that. Bye, have a good day. Have you heard that? So definitely avoid the Boulders Beach and come to this place, to Betty's Bay. Because, I mean, we've paid at the Boulders Beach 170 rand and here only 25 rand per person. So it's way cheaper and it is also way more beautiful, right?
Yes, it is.
I mean, what a huge difference that is. I mean, why? 170 rand compared to 25 rand.
And here are not so many tourists like at Boulder Beach. And it's weekend. We are here on a Saturday.
Yeah, right. I mean, less tourists, it's way cheaper and it's also way more beautiful. Look at all these happy penguins. They sleep in these little houses here. Hello, buddy. Do you remember this place here? This is like the place where at Boulders Beach where was packed with people and tourists, and here's no one except for us. We are alone here, so it's way cheaper, no tourists around, and it's also way more beautiful. I mean, check this out. Look at the size of the bread. Can you see the dimension of it? Honey, this bread is so thick. So, Fabian is driving now. 46 minutes and we're gonna arrive in Hermanus.
get upstairs into the room. The coins are gone.
I need to say it looks really comfy and clean. That's what it's important. Welcome to our new apartment for one night. Look at the bathroom. It is so spacious, right?
Yes, we can have a party here.
Bathroom for 20 people. We drove off this morning here in Cape Town and we are driving for the next following days along the coastline here of South Africa, which is also called the Garden Route, if not the most popular route in this whole country, in the whole of South Africa. And we are at the moment here in Hermanus. Hermanus? This is day one of our road trip to Port Elizabeth, which will be our last and final destination. And the first stop here, we are here for one reason in particular, one reason only. It is a very good place to spot some whales. And we're trying to get a seat for tomorrow morning for the whale watching tour. We are a little bit late maybe for the booking, but we asked at the reception and she will let us know if we can get a seat for tomorrow morning. But for now, it is now 3:30. We got some time left and we're trying to spot some whales here from the coastal walk. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, it seems like they closed the coastal walk a couple of days ago because of the heavy wind, storm and the big waves. We're now walking along the street here. You see? This is what I mean. Big waves. I could bet that you have a good chance to see them all year round, but not today because of the waves and weather.